Luca Carlevarijs or Carlevaris was born on January 20, 1663, died February 12, 1730. He was an Italian painter and engraver working mainly in Venice. He pioneered the genre of the cityscapes of Venice, a genre that was later widely followed by artists such as Canaletto and Francesco Guardi. He painted landscapes, sea pieces and perspective views. His works included cityscapes with a topological interest as well as imaginary landscapes with ruins. He completed over 100 etchings of views in Venice, which give an exact representation of the principal places in that city.